Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to remove object from photo by using object eraser. So first of all guys, you have to go to gallery and then go to your pictures. Now just select any picture. I am selecting this one. Okay, now I want to erase this Canon. So just tap on edit and then go to the four dot option here. So just go there. Here we have an option of a object eraser. So tap here guys and tap or draw around anything you want to erase. So just draw this. Now click to erase. So as you guys see, this is how we can erase it. And we're gonna use object eraser in Galaxy A55 5G. So now again click to object eraser and then tap here. I want to remove it and then click erase. So as you guys see, this is how we can erase the object in Galaxy A55 5G. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.